Where are we heading?
Paris.
Paris! Here we come, Paris! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are on our way to begin our next adventure. We are going to be walking the Camino Francés across Spain. But first we have to get there. We are in Toronto, actually on the plane, on the way to Paris. We will then, once we get to Paris in about 7 hours, maybe 8, we're not sure, they're moving slow here. We will catch a train to Bayonne. We'll spend the night in Bayonne, and then we will take the train to St. John in the following morning. So we're going to take you along on that journey, and we're hoping to video each day. Keep your fingers crossed for us that we have the stamina to walk and video and edit every day. But we'll take you along.
C'est trop fort. Ça me manque trop les gens.
We're heading on to our next train, and it's way at the bottom or at the end because we're train number 16, or car number 16, I guess it is. Okay, we're almost there. We're at car number 15. We are literally the last car in this whole train. And it's packed. So many people. Okay, we're here. We made it to Bayonne. Now we're gonna go and look for our accommodations and go to sleep. We've been traveling for well over 24 hours and we're still not there. So let's go. This is the hostel we stayed in. Hostel 20, it's called. And right across is a really cool mural. So that's where we spent the night. Our first night. And now we head to the train station to buy our tickets to the next stop, to St. John. And the train station is right there, right in front of us. So a really quick walk if that's where you're stopping before you hit St. John. That's a good hostel. Here is the bus and train station. We got our tickets. The machines were broken. There's machines in there you can get your tickets from, but they weren't working, so we had to wait to buy them from the teller, I guess. And 2 tickets was €18 for the 2 of us. I think 18.60. And now we're just waiting for a bus. And there's Len playing on his phone. Lots of people starting the Camino. Look at them all. Looks like this is our bus to Saint Jean. This is just a few of the people getting on, all heading to start the Camino. There's a whole bunch of people still in the station. So I'm thinking this is going to be a full bus. We're on the bus. An hour and a half before we get to Saint Jean. We have arrived, and Len's got the bag.
So we're at the passport office in St. John. Busy day. Bit of a line. And we're recording outside because once we're inside we can't record.
Without asking.
Without asking.
Okay.
Sign it.
Yes, okay. Yeah, if I'm ready to here we are.
Yeah, that's 8 kilometers. You want to go the whole way.
You do not want to do that. It's dangerous. And
I would say
you want to go on that.
just take the QR code here, because they would not answer the phone, so just take the QR code and you can book directly with them.
Water here, food truck here, and we can
Okay,
buy
so you can book that directly with them for tomorrow night.
Thank you. I love it. I love it. Really, it's okay. It's 26 miles.
So after
The passport number is it's 40 kilometers.
So just, these are all the Caminos, they're all the adverts for all the towns, mainly in Spain, because in Spain we're visiting them. And what was it, that's the town, they're the adverts. That's the number, and 24 is the code for Spain. Just one thing, if they begin with 6, it's a mobile number in Spain, and you should be able to book by that.
Now you first stop.
Okay, now my first stamp. Now my first stamp.
This is the moment. This is the moment.
And just come to where it's
Okay,
like
you
close
start
October,
the stamp.
just keep an eye out for closing later.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So I wish you the very best. It's been lovely meeting you.
I appreciate your helping me.
Well, we're here at half 8 if you have more questions, so find yourself. Okay, take care now.
Then I must explain to you I must explain this. You need one stamp every day.
Right.
Every
Yes.
day.
Right.
You can get the stamp in the albergues.
Right.
And sometimes in the charts, in some charts, only the tourist office. Okay?
Okay.
But for the last 100 kilometers, two every day.
Oh, wonderful.
In the bars, in restaurants, church, police, when the tourist offices,
Everywhere.
everywhere.
All the time. We've had notifications all week.
No problem.
That's great.
So that we have the credencial.
What part of Croatia are you from? Split.
This is the 32 stage of Camino starting.
Now yours.
Turn to the right.
So now, yes. Now is the moment. Sorry.
Just don't check the other route.
Okay. Yeah.
The QR code for us. Do you want to list the birds or have you got them now?
Okay.
No, this is all the adverts. Give me that as well, okay. And just remember, do you use
This is our accommodations and St. John. That's our room right up there.
Would it be better? Specifically